こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make ginger miso aubergine and veggie mince rice bowl. This is a delicious and comforting Japanese-style miso-flavored rice bowl. The rich, sweet and savory miso sauce perfectly coats the tender aubergine and vegan mince, creating a wonderful balance of flavors. The warmth of ginger and a hint of chilli brings a subtle kick, making this dish deeply satisfying. Okay, let's get started. First, let's make the ginger miso sauce. In a bowl, grate about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Add 1.5 tablespoons of red miso paste, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sake, and half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything well until the miso paste is completely dissolved. The sauce is ready. Set it aside. Next, prepare the ingredients. Finely chop 1 spring onion for garnish. Cut 1 aubergine, about 300 grams, into 1 inch or 2 centimeters cubes. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the aubergine cubes. And stir fry for 6 to 7 minutes until they soften and turn golden. Add 100 grams of vegan mince. Both fresh and frozen work well. And stir fry for about 2 minutes until cooked through. Pour in the ginger miso sauce. Stir fry everything quickly for about 1 more minute. And if you like a bit of heat, add a pinch of chili flakes. To finish, drizzle in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, mixing it in for extra depth of flavor and aroma. Now, assemble the rice bowl. Place 1 serving of steamed short grain plain rice in a bowl. Top it with the ginger miso aubergine and vegan mince. Then garnish with the chopped spring onions. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said that deep umami from the miso, the tender aubergine, and that little zing from the ginger, she enjoys every bite. This warm rice bowl is simple to prepare, yet pure comfort. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね。